लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं और उसके लिए आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं। वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है। गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है। Given me an opportunity to put forth my views about this paper leak and NEET examination घोटाला and नो चंदा चोरी तो है ही है, सब उसके समर्थक उधर बैठे हैं, लेकिन सर ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है, ये स्टूडेंट का मामला है जो लाखों बच्चों की जो भविष्य है उनके भविष्य के बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूं और उसके लिए आज यहाँ जंतर मंतर पे हजारों बच्चे वहां पर आए हैं। वहां लाठी चार्ज हो गया है। गवर्नमेंट मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट दबाने की कोशिश कर रही है, गवर्नमेंट निकलने की कोशिश We have given already notice and spoke about that. The NEET examination, which has taken several lives, and government is not taking care of students. और ये तो स्टूडेंट्स को मारने का काम सरकार कर रही है। भाई आपको एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट करने को नहीं आता तो आप छोड़ो, दूसरे और किसी को दो। तो ये सरकार आज स्टूडेंट्स पे जो लाठीचार्ज की, नौजवान बच्चों पे जो किए, ये डेमोक्रेसी पे हमला है। और जो लोग अपने बात रखने के लिए दिल्ली आते हैं उनके ऊपर ऐसी लाठीचार्ज अगर होती है और उनको अगर ऐसा डराया जाता है तो ये डेमोक्रेसी नहीं है। और सरकार इसके बारे में सोचने के लिए हम 10 बार बोले, लेकिन वो सरकार सोच रही नहीं, उल्टा बच्चों को, नौजवानों को तंग कर रही। एक तरफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट चल रहा, दूसरे तरफ बच्चों को एग्जामिनेशन बर्बाद हो रहे। तो ये सत्ता में रहने के लायक नहीं है।
सर, बहुत सारे इश्यूज आप लोगों ने उठाने की बात की है इस बार।
चंदा चोरी, ये भी हमारा इश्यू है। 2 इश्यूज तो हम उठाए हैं। और चंदा भगवान के नाम पे उन्होंने चंदा जमा किए करोड़ों रुपए, और करोड़ों रुपए की लूट हो रही है। राम भक्त क्या है, भगवान के नाम से पैसे वसूल कर रहे हैं और भक्तों को बांट रहे हैं, उनके भक्त चोरी कर रहे हैं उसके। और सारा मोदी साहब इसकी जिम्मेदारी लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि खुद मोदी साहब ने ट्रस्ट बनाया, खुद मोदी साहब ने लोगों को चुना, नॉमिनेट किया, और उन्हीं के लोग अगर चोरी कर रहे हैं तो उसकी जिम्मेदारी उनकी होती है।
देखिए, विपक्ष तो 2-3 विषय उठाना चाहते थे। उसमें से एक है अयोध्या के जो चंदा चोरी हुई वगैरह, और दूसरा ये है कि नीट परीक्षा और जो विषय छात्रों के गूंज के नाम पे कांग्रेस कुछ महीने से भी उठा रहे हैं, तो इनके ऊपर चर्चा होनी चाहिए। यही था हमारे रिक्वेस्ट, लेकिन सरकार कुछ भी मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। देखिए, पार्लियामेंट के अंदर अगर चर्चा चले तो सबके लिए अच्छा है। चर्चा से इनका क्या डर है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, क्योंकि सरकार के पास तो बहुत मेजॉरिटी है। तो सुनने दो, देश की आवाज़ सुनाइए पार्लियामेंट में, यही है पार्लियामेंट का काम। तो आप मना कर रहे हैं कि सिर्फ आपके विषय उठाएंगे, तो विपक्ष नेचुरली असंतुष्ट है। यही हुआ। It's very sad. I mean, I don't understand the spirit in which some of these things are being done. When a non-violent protest is taking place, what is the reason for a lathi? Lathi charge is not an act of non-violence. It is an act of violence. I don't understand the logic of this. And similarly here in Parliament, everyone knows these are burning issues across the country. it would be logical to have a discussion on them. Parliament is supposed to be the place where we can ventilate the voice of the people, the concerns of the people. And once we do that, we all know the government has a majority. As the old saying goes, the opposition must have its say, because the government will have its way. They have the majority. But at least let Parliament be a forum where these concerns can be heard, can be truly ventilated and voiced, where various people can represent the views of their constituents, and then the government can say, sorry, we don't agree or whatever. That's their privilege. But right now, just refusing a discussion is what has led to today's disruption, because the opposition wanted these issues up there, wanted an opportunity to talk about them on the floor of the House. And if Parliament is not there for raising these issues, then honestly, what is it for? I mean, it can't just be a sort of notice board for the government to announce its bills and get them passed with a rubber stamp. That's not what Parliament is all about. It should be a forum where all these views can be heard, discussed, debated as necessary, and then passed.
This government totally insensitive on people's issues. You can see the pain of the family of this country on NEET and CBSE examination. Leakage. Basically, the parents are very much worried about the future of their students, their sons and daughters. Our minimum demand is to resign the education minister and have a discussion on NEET to CBSE exam. How to improve this exam system? How to improve this exam system? How to stop this leakage on examination? How to retain the credibility of the examination system? There should be a thorough discussion on that. There should be an action on that. Dharmendra Pradhan is the cold, responsible guy. This government is totally insensitive on that. The government is not ready for a discussion. The Speaker is not allowing us to speak on this issue. Okay, you can understand. You speak 1 or 2, 3 minutes. They are not ready to hear the issue. NEET is not an issue. CBSE leakage is not an issue. Number 2, Chanda Chori. Chanda Chori, that is also hurting the complete believers of Lord Rama. People are completely pained. What is happening there? That trustee is nominated by Government of India under the supervision of Prime Minister. Entire trustee is responsible for this Chanda Chori. That's also government is not allowing for a discussion. Therefore, government is very much uncomfortable for discussing either Chanda Chori or NEET CBSE exam leakage, because they are on back foot completely. But they should. This Parliament is the place where debate and discussion has to happen. People are elected for debating these issues. The government is not ready for a debate at all. They are not allowing to speak on 2 minutes on NEET CBSE exam leak. They are not allowing us to speak on this issue.
The agenda of government.
I don't know. We don't know why they call the Parliament. These are the very much bigger issues of the people of this country. They are not ready. Our minimum demand is there should have a proper design discussion on these 2 subjects immediately. This is what our demand. Government is not ready.
What about the DMK? What about the DMK? Sir?
You people are this only. If whether you are agreeing or this issue or I am not going to fall in your agendas. Every political party will have their own decisions. Our position aim is to discuss these 2 major issues: CBSE, NEET, exam leakage. Number 2, Chanda Chori. Discuss.
LOP Rahul Gandhi.
They have the majority in the house. Why they are worrying about the discussion?
LOP Rahul Gandhi and you also going to hospital to meet Sonam Bangchu and Jantar Mantar also.
That party will decide.
Sir, Prime Minister has said certain...
That also you have to understand. A person, combat mein, for a genuine cause, sitting for hunger strike for 20 days, this government should show some sensitivity. Human lives are important for everybody. And issues are also that much important. What you are doing, you are using the police, you are using Delhi police and you are using CRPF to stop this type of agitations. You are in a different world, I don't know. This government is in a different world.
Still all
Nobody can correct
all
them.
the India bloc parties against the delimitation bill.
Now in the limitation bill is not come. Let it come, then you can see that whether everybody together or not. Last session also you saw that.